Here at ADS, we help upgrade properties with smart window and door automation. From retrofit conversions to new aluminium, timber and UPVC installations, our products vastly enhance both domestic homes and commercial spaces. Automation can be controlled via fobs, wall switches, keypads, fingerprint biometrics and smart device app control, which can also be connected to Alexa and Google speakers for additional voice activation. Our composite doors can be manufactured in any style. Sizes range from 1000mm by 2100mm to 1200mm by 3000mm. All of our doors come with a motorised multi-point locking system, safety sensors, finger guards and a low threshold for ease of access. Standard controls are fob to enter and wall switch to exit. You can choose from a wide range of colours to match your property and rest assured that all of our doors are fully compliant to meet Fenza building control standards. For our vertical sliding windows, two face-mounted motors are fitted to each side, allowing for opening strokes ranging from 300, 400, 500 and 800mm. This system can be fitted as an automatic opening vent or simply for ventilation purposes within a domestic property. Our chain actuator is the perfect product for retro conversions of an existing window. It can also be concealed within the window in the instance of a new window being fitted. It has a wide range of opening strokes which can be easily altered. Our garage door roller shutters come in a wide range of colours and are made to measure to meet your exact specifications. All garage doors are secure by design. Our new electric twin hook lock provides keyless entry with a touch of a button. The new sliding door system comes with a range of different options, including timber, glass, pocket or wall-hung brackets, as well as toilet door kits with locks. Our safety barriers come in a wide range of styles to suit the automatic doors which are being installed.